My name's Bridget,
My name is Clara.
and today we're going to be teaching you how to calculate the volume of a
3D geometric shape.
In order to calculate the volume of a 3D shape, we need to identify what a 3D shape is. First, we need to understand that all 3D shapes have 2D shapes within them. Unlike 2D shapes, though, that are flat, 3D shapes have width. Take this rectangular prism, for instance. It has a length and a height, but it also has a width, and that is what we're going to need to use to calculate the volume of a 3D shape. Just like we can calculate the volume of this cylinder, we can also calculate the volume of this cylinder and figure out how much space this also takes up.
So we have a rectangular prism right here, the shape. This is the width, this is the length, and this is the height. So we are gonna go ahead and just plug whatever numbers we already have into the formula: width, height, and length, and then all of that is gonna be multiplied, and we're gonna get this value right here. And if y'all can see, every unit is centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. So once we multiply centimeter, centimeter, and centimeter, right, we're gonna get centimeter cube, or to the third power. And this could also be instead of centimeter cube, it could be meter cube. It depends if it's to be converted or not. We're gonna go ahead and calculate the volume of a triangular prism. So this is what a triangular prism looks like. So for this, we have this, the C is gonna be the length of the base. You can see it here. This is gonna be the height of the triangular, and the A, you can see it here as well, it's gonna be the height of the base. So in order to get the volume of the triangular prism, the formula is volume equal 1/2 A, which stands for the height of the base, C, which is gonna stand for the length of the base, and H, which is gonna stand for the height. So in this case, we only have the height and the length of the base. We're still missing the height of the base. So we're gonna go ahead and calculate it. And how do we calculate that? Still, we will use a formula. So A, which is the height of the base, right, equals C, which is the length of the base, and then square root 3 divided by 2. We already have the C, which is a 3, right? So we're gonna plug it in. We're gonna calculate, and then we're gonna get a 2.6. This 2.6 is gonna be the height of the base. So we're gonna move on, and we're gonna plug it in into our volume formula. So volume equal 1/2 times 2.6 times 3 times 6, and that is gonna give us the volume. And just like we mentioned in the last video, every volume, it needs to be cubed, okay? So to the third power. And this could be, instead of centimeters cubed, it could be meters cubed. We can convert it back and forth. So yeah.
So a lot of people don't realize how much geometry we use in our everyday life. So today we're going to list off some careers that use a lot of geometry. A computer-aided design engineer creates construction plans for cars, bridges, and other buildings using a software system. The second career that we're going to be using is medical imaging, a method used for reconstructing shapes from inside the human body. A fashion designer needs to have a good understanding of geometry and measurements to make clothes to fit a 3D shape. A surveyor uses mathematical calculations like elevation, shape, and dimensions with tools and equipment to measure land.